Hello students, today we discuss in this session about the human cardiovascular system. Okay, in the human cardiovascular system mainly three parts are there. What are they? First, that is the heart, that is a four chambered. Okay, that is a four chambered heart, and blood vessels. Blood vessels, they are arteries in which oxygenated blood flows, and veins and capillaries. In arteries, oxygenated blood is flows, and in veins, deoxygenated blood flows, and in capillaries, that are directly entered into the tissues and organs. Okay, next third one is the blood. Okay, now first we discuss about the heart. Okay, heart, structure of heart. First we discuss about the heart, where that is located. Okay, what is the location of heart? Okay, it is located at mediastinum. Okay, at mediastinum. Mediastinum means it is the space where the space in thoracic cavity. In thoracic cavity between two lungs, means in thoracic cavity between the two lungs, the heart is located. Okay, and here it is fixed into the, it fit into the cardiac notch. Cardiac notch. What is cardiac notch? Cardiac notch means in between the two lungs. Okay, here at the left side, it contains some depression. It contains some depression, that is called as a cardiac notch. Because of heart is located in the left side, so here in the lungs, in the left lung, it contain a depression, that is called as cardiac notch. Means in that place the heart is fits into that place. Okay, and next size. Okay, size. What is the size of heart? Size. Its size is the fist, clenched fist of that human being. Okay, it is a clenched fist. Its size should be clenched fist, the closed clenched fist, that size of that person. Okay, and in the heart weight, what is the it is the size and weight. What is the weight of a heart? In the male, that should be 280 to 340 grams, and in female, that should be 230 to 280. The shape of the heart is a triangular shape. It is a shape is a triangular shape. Okay, if we see the shape of the structure of the heart, it should be like this. It is somewhat towards the left side. Okay, and here between them one depression is there, that is called as a coronary sulcus. It is called as coronary sulcus, means upper chambers and lower chambers are separated by depression. It is called as coronary sulcus or atrioventricular sulcus or atrioventricular septum. Okay, here in between the downside it is separated two chambers. Okay, these are ventricle, left and right ventricles. Okay, it is this depression, this is called as a interventricular septum. It is a interventricular septum. Means here towards this side, downside, lower side, it is the chambers separated by two chambers, that is called as interventricular septum. Here it is the left side and it is the right side, and here it is separated by one septum. It is by left auricle and right auricle. Okay, means four chambers are separated. Heart is covered by, it is covered by double layered pericardium. Okay, here it is covered by double layered pericardium. Peri means around the heart. Okay, it is the around the heart, it is pericardium. Here two layers, that double layered, they are a fibrous layer and a serous layer. Here outermost, that is called as a outermost, that is called as fibrous layer, and innermost layer is called as a serous layer, inner layer. Okay, and here serous layer, it is divided into two parts. Okay, what are they? Parietal and visceral. Okay, means here serous layer, that is the inner layer, that is the innermost layer, that is divided into two layers. What are they? Parietal layer and visceral layer. Here means this parietal layer is directly contact with the, that is connected to the fibrous layer, and visceral layer is the innermost layer. Okay, here it is connected to the heart. It is connected to the heart and it is make the epicardium. Epicardium means upon the cardia, upon the heart. Means here it contain if we see the wall of the heart, if we see the wall of the heart, here in the, it is the outermost layer, that is the fibrous layer. Okay, and next innermost layer, serous layer. That serous layer again divided into parietal layer and visceral layer. Here parietal layer and visceral layer. These are parietal layer and visceral layer. Okay, between the parietal and visceral layer, it contains the cardiac fluid. Means between the two layers, it contains the fluid. What is the use of that one? It reduce the friction. It reduce the friction when the heart is movement. Heart is in movement, and also protect from the shock, mechanical shock. From mechanical shock. Means this fluid that reduce the friction of the heart, and also they protect from the mechanical shock. Okay. Now these are the coverings. These are fibrous and serous layers are the covering of the heart. But here when we see the layers of the heart, that heart contain 3 layers. Okay, heart contain 3 layers, triple layers. They are outer side, that is the epicardium and myocardium. Middle layer is called as myocardium and endocardium. Here the epicardium, it contains the squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium. And in myocardium, that contain the cardiac muscles. That contain the cardiac muscles, and it is the myocardium is the thick layer. It is the thick layer. Okay, and endocardium, it is the thin layer. Okay, it is the thin layer, and it contains the squamous endothelium, squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium, sorry, squamous endothelium it contains. And next, here, because of myocardium, because of this cardiac muscles, the heart make the rhythm. That's why heart is called as a pulsating organ. It is called as a pulsating organ. Means it by rhythm, that heartbeat makes the rhythm movements. Rhythm movements. So it is called as a pulsating organ. Next, here in this epicardium is a outer covering, and myocardium is a middle layer, and endocardium is the inner side layer of the heart. Okay, here if we see the structure of heart, it is the endothelium, and here it contains the myocardium. Okay, it is the cardiac muscles and epicardium that are made of squamous epithelium. And next, outer side that contain the parietal layer and visceral layer. Parietal layer and visceral layer. Here it is the visceral layer and it is the parietal layer. In between the 2 layers, it contains the fluid. That is the cardiac fluid, and it is the fibrous layer.